Welcome back to Presentation Perfect. Today I'll be showing you how to make this creative team PowerPoint presentation with interactive elements. I'll be using images of the K-pop band Blackpink to illustrate the effect, so I have the images of the 4 members here, along with the band's logo. We're going to start by changing the background color to black. Then we're going to create the text strips by inserting a rectangle on either end of the slides in a color of your choice. Next, I'm going to insert a text box and type in the first name. We're then going to extend the text box and type in the secondary text in a color, contrasting the primary focus text. For the dynamic effect to work, we're going to repeat the secondary text like this to serve as filler between the first and second name. After 4 repeats, I'll type in Jenny. Repeat the process for each member. I'll zoom out to make things clearer. I'm going to make either side of the first name symmetrical by copying in the secondary text here on the left. It's basically just one long horizontal line of text. Now I'm going to repeat the process for the second strip, but using the logo rather than text as the secondary text. The focus text will be inserted through a text box like this. To neaten things up, select the elements, go to Shape Format, and adjust the alignment. To make the text easier to work with, we're also going to want to select and group them together by hitting Ctrl-G. Now we can press Ctrl-D to duplicate them with ease and extend the strip. Change the focus text like this and repeat the process to complete the strip. I'm going to group all the duplicates together so that they're easy to drag. I'm going to add one more text strip here to make it symmetrical and then regroup the elements. Now drag the bottom strip to the left to align the focus text with that of the top. I'm going to go ahead and color the names in white before we move on. Now to shape the images into a circle, we'll select them, go to Picture Format, Crop to Shape, and then select the circle shape. I'm going to add circle outlines on either side to fill in the empty space, but you can add anything you want. Now select all the middle elements, go to Shape Format, and select Align Middle, and then distribute horizontally to neaten everything up. Then we're going to bring the first image into focus like this and gray out the remaining images by going to picture format. I'm going to increase the size of the focus image and clean things up by aligning all the elements. The remaining member slides are easy. Duplicate the first slide, change the color of the rectangle, and drag the text and images so that they align. Resize and recolor the images accordingly. Now repeat the process for the third and fourth member slides. Remember, the top text strip will move in the opposite direction to the bottom one. Now that we've finalized the member slides, we can move on to the bio slides. We're going to insert a new slide and then copy and paste the image and two rectangles from the first slide onto it. Now resize and align the two shapes like this. And resize and reposition the images as you wish. Then fill in your text and relevant icons and imagery. You can skip ahead to the finished slide if you want. The icons used here were sourced from PowerPoint's own icon library. Duplicate the slide once done. Swap out the text, colors, and images accordingly. When all the slides are done, select them. Head to Transitions and select Morph. Play the presentation to review the effect and check for mistakes. Now we're going to add the interactive elements on each of the member slides to link them to their respective bios. Select the image, right-click, and select Link. Then go to Place in this document and select the relevant slide. Do this for each of the slides and you're done. And there you have it, a creative PowerPoint Morph transition, perfect for team presentations and portfolios. If you like this tutorial, support the channel by hitting subscribe and dropping a comment letting me know what you'd like to see next.